we're gonna be transplanting into the garden right here. Thanks for the gift, Shelby. So we're gonna be transplanting in the garden. We have a few large containers we're gonna be transplanting into. Let me show you guys what are we gonna be transplanting and where we're gonna be transplanting. So we have two different vegetables over here. We have, thanks Erica for the gift. So we have anchia over here, and this is bitter leaf, sweet bitter leaf over here. Thanks for the gift, Lily. Thanks you guys for the gift. If you're liking the live so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me, follow me for more live. So we're gonna be transplanting in this half rain barrel over here. So this rain barrel, we've been growing in it for a couple of years now. So I have the rain barrel ready already. I have my compost, I have worm castings, I have fertilizer all set. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you guys for the gift. If you're liking the live, please don't forget to like hit the like button, share the live so that other people might be able to watch the live. So I'm gonna be transplanting sweet bitter leaf into this container right here. Like I said, I already put all my fertilizer, compost, worm castings, even eggshells in there. They're ready to go. So we're gonna be transplanting. I also usually I like to water either the bed or the container before I transplant, so that one is easy, and two, the plants just get into a nice moist environment. So in case I don't water after transplanting, at least the bed, the surface is moist, the container is moist. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. Thank you for the gift. If you're liking the live, please smash the like button. Help us reach our goal today. We're trying to grow our channel, so I'm trying to go live regularly, like at least 3-4 times a week. So so this is we're transplanting a few things today. This is just the start. I have about 4 different containers we're going to transplant. The first one we're going to do is going to be this bitter leaf right here. Like I said, I watered my container already, so we're going to start transplanting. Let me see if I can set this camera down where everybody can see. So maybe right here. So I'm gonna transplant this sweet bitter leaf in this container, and I'm gonna try to make sure that, thanks for the likes, thanks everybody for the likes, thanks for joining. So I'm transplanting sweet bitter leaf into this container right here. So if everybody can hear me, hit yes on the chat if you can hear me. Hit yes on the chat if you can hear me, just to make sure that everybody can hear me. Thank you guys. So I'm gonna be transplanting. I'm gonna be transplanting into this raised bed, right into this container right here. So let's get started. So I'm transplanting with I have a little tool that I use over here. So I have my little tool here. I'm just gonna use it to make a few holes where I'm gonna transplant. I have my seedlings already. I usually water the seedlings and the container where the seedlings are gonna go, so that way it's nice and comfortable for the plants. So I'm just gonna make a couple of holes here where I'm gonna put my seedlings, so that way it's nice and easy. Once we start transplanting them, we know exactly where it's going, and also make sure that at least we have spacing. This plant that I'm gonna transplant over here, it's a tropical plant. It grows very fast, it grows very big, and it also has some medicinal value. So so we grow it every summer because they love the hot temperature. So it's time for us to transplant it. I just took those seedlings from the greenhouse. I'm putting them into this container over here. We already have some in the garden already. Maybe at the end of the live I can show you guys some of the stuff that we've transplanted in the garden already. But this one is gonna go into this container right here, and then we're gonna be able to so we have our hose set up. I just need to grab my mycorrhiza that would help the plant they attach to the plant roots, and it's gonna help it do much better. So let me just grab that. And let me know in the comments below what you're growing in your garden. What are you growing in your garden right now? I'm transplanting some African vegetable tropical plants into the here. So let me know in the comments below what are you growing in your garden. Frito, thanks for the gift. So we're gonna start transplanting. So what I'm gonna do is I have my mycorrhiza fungi. So what mycorrhiza fungi does is that it attaches itself to the root of the plant, and then it helps the plant grab as much nutrients out of the soil as possible, thereby improving its health, making it more resistant to diseases and other stuff, and also increase the yield of the plant. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of it in each hole. You can also drop it on the roots itself, but I'm putting it in the hole so that way when I put the plants in there, the roots are gonna be touching the mycorrhiza. So it depends. You can put maybe like half a teaspoon into each hole, depending on the plant and the size of the plant. I usually put like just a little bit, less than half in each hole, especially these small plants like this. And I have a lot of seedlings to transplant, so I just want to make sure it covers the rest until I get my next supply, which is on the way. So so let's transplant this bitter leaf right here. Thanks for the likes, everybody. Thanks for the please smash the like button. If you're liking the live so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me, follow me for more more videos like this. I show you guys what I'm doing in the garden, what I'm doing in the greenhouse. I grow a lot of stuff in the garden and in the greenhouse. So smash the like button. So here are the seedlings that I'm transplanting. Over here, let me just show you guys before I start taking all of them out. So here are the seed. Thank you guys for the likes. Here are the seedlings, and we're gonna be transplanting right here. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the gifts, everybody. So so now what I'm gonna be doing is just getting the seedlings and just putting the seedlings in the hole and then closing it up. As simple as that. So the hard part for this is getting the bed ready and getting the container ready, putting all the necessary organic fertilizers and stuff in there. Once that is done, transplanting is just digging a hole and putting it in. So just grabbing one after another. So like in a couple of weeks, these things they grow very fast, and they're gonna be like this high in like a month. So they grow very fast. So and that's good because we need them to grow fast so that we can get as much vegetable out of them for our short growing season. So I live in zone 6B, where our season really starts June to September, October latest. So we have short season. Even in late April and early June, we were having temperatures below 40, below 50s at night. So we try to grow as much as we can with the short period that we have. Let me know in the comments below what zone you are growing. What zone are you? What are you growing? Are you growing in zone? I'm in zone 6B. Let me know in the comments below where you're growing or your growing zone is. So in this container, I'm gonna put about 8 or 10 seedlings in here, and that should be good. Any extras are gonna go to the other containers that we have over there. So like I said, these things grow very big and very fast, so just want to make sure that they have enough room for them to grow and expand in here. So we have one more to go for this, and we're all set. So like I said, whenever I am transplanting, I like to moisten the container, and then after transplanting, I also like to make sure I water so that the plants it'll reduce plant shock and the plants are able to thrive from there. Thank you guys for the gift. Thanks for joining. So I'm transplanting some tropical plants into a container over here, and everything is looking great. Thank you guys for the likes. Thanks for the gifts. So I'm just gonna water right now, then we'll go on to the next container. The next container is gonna be a different plant. That one is gonna be anchia. This one is bitter leaf, sweet bitter leaf. It is used to prepare dishes like dole. You can use it in soups and other stuff. These are tropical plants that love the hot temperature and they do well. And this one has some good medicinal value. So check it out. You can read more about it online. So that is it. We're done transplanting. We're done watering. What do you guys think about it?